I'm ready. Welcome back to the range with Yoke. Y'all, the sky is about to drop, but we're not gonna let that damper what it is we got going on here today. And today we are going to talk about my AK pistols chambered in 7.62 by 39. Now I do have one chambered in 5.56, but it's considered a pistol and it's on the AK platform, so that's why she is here today. So with that being said, hopefully we can get some time before this drops, and we are in a safe and controlled environment. We are at the gun range, Immokalee Range and Gun Club to be exact. So up first, let's talk about that either you love it or hate it, that micro Draco. Now this micro Draco, for something the caliber and the size and the beast of a round of the 7.62 by 39 coming out of something as small as this can be quite impulsive. For me, it's more of just, you know, I collect firearms, so I gotta have it to say that I have it. Not saying that I hate it. It's just not for me. It's either it's for you or it's not for you. That's the point with the Draco. Now, definitely, for me, I do rather shoot this with gloves because the grip on here is so short. Although they give you this scoop here for you to kind of like rest your hand in there, the blast on there does kind of, you know, protrude on the outside. So on the left and the right side, you will get a blast, and your finger in the way is definitely not what you want. We are shooting the Bellum, and everything has the Bellum in it. And let's suit them up so we can send them down range. All right, so up first is that micro Draco. Let's get this first magazine. Drop that safety, give her a charge. She is charged. Definitely do not have this close to your face. You don't want that to come back and bust you in the mouth. The micro Draco. Now, one thing that I do find that is a little bit uncomfortable for me is actually dropping that magazine because that lip kind of hangs off of there. You get your finger caught in it, you're not going to be happy. That micro Draco. Number two, we are working with that micro Draco vska. Now, this is the latest model that you can find on the Draco line. Now, as you can see, they've done quite a bit of upgrades on this pistol. As you can see, we got pick space on the top. We have a more tapered handguard on the front. As you can see the difference between these two. There's more of a landing for a nicer grip on this pistol. Now, does it change the shoot? In my opinion, it really doesn't. My first go around with this, I did shoot it with an optic and I found myself having a little bit of problems with it. And it could very well be the weight of the optic on the front. I really didn't go back and try anything else after I experienced those hard times. So today we're shooting it without it. And this is that Draco vska Mini. Now the wood is also a different color, as you can see. All right, let's head to the line. All you can do is just let them out. She is clear and she is safe. The Draco vska Mini. Micro. I'm sorry. Micro. These both are micros. Up next, we are talking about another Draco. Now this is the mini. This was actually my very first purchase, very first firearm purchase. I knew I needed something, I wanted something, and this was hot. And I said, you know what? I want to be a part of the hotness. I need to go ahead and pick one up. And this is how this came along. So this Draco, as you can see, it is a little longer than the micro. So the shoot is not a lot of difference between the two. I would say it is a little better as you get, you know, the longer barrel lengths. But hey, that's what it is. The Draco Mini. Let's head to the line. Definitely ain't no accuracy in this. All right, she is clear and she is safe. That mini Draco. Up next, we're not quite done with the Dracos. And what you have here is the Draco. So this Draco, it does not have any, you know, thing to, what am I trying to say? See, this is the micros, minis, and this is the full-size Draco. So there's no the only thing that you can get besides this would be a full-size AK. And what you see here, for me, I have to say, is probably my favorite shoot out of the whole Draco line. I enjoy this one. You just have a lot more of that control with this full-size Draco. And I like it better. If I had to choose one out of all, I definitely would choose this. Man, that 7.62 round coming out of these pistols ain't no joke. She is clear and she is safe. The Draco. All right, let's make some space here. And up next, let's talk about this here. This is the Pioneer Arms hellpup, chambered in 7.62 by 39. Quite interesting.
Let me ask you a question.
What?
You think that Pioneer better than the Dracos?
Yes. Yes.
You're gonna make a lot of people mad.
That's exactly what I was gonna get into in this conversation about these two. Since I'm gonna make you mad, then I'm just not even gonna say it. Yes, the Pioneer Arms hellpup, in my opinion, is a nicer shoot than the full-size Draco. Definitely it's a must check out. If you don't know anything of it, don't sleep on them. Definitely check them out. All right, Pioneer Arms hellpup. You hear that? You hear that doof, that thump? So much more of a smoother shoot. She is clear and she is safe. The Pioneer Arms hellpup. make some adjustments here. Now, up next, let's go into, let's change the caliber up for a second. Let's do a quick clear check. She is clear. What you are seeing here is the Zastava Arms ZPAP 85. Now this is chambered in 5.56-223. This beautiful stained wood. It's tough. I love the look of this. It looks good. She shoots as good as she looks, and definitely something that needs to be either tried, looked into, or even added. This right here, the Zastava 85, chambered in 5.56-223. You don't see them shells. What a shoot. The pistol is clear. And let's make safe. The Zastava ZPAP 85, chambered in 5.56. All right. Moving right along. Now, quick clear check. She is clear and she is safe. Now this right here is also a Zastava, but it has been touched by Sir Johnny Snow. So he wanted to give me something that would help me enjoy the DRACO'S. So what he tried to do was, or what he did was, he converted one of my Zastavas to look as closely as possible to a DRACO. So he did add the Kalashnikov wood on here. As you can see, this handguard is crazy. We have a nice grip on her. We have that one finger indentation. She feels good. She looks good. ZPAP 92, chambered in 7.62x39, and she's great. We are going to see the crazy blast off of this in 1 second. He did put a fiber optic front sight on here, but as you can see, it could not withhold the heat, and that has melted. It's still on there, but she's melted down. All right, let's head to that line, and I'm going to show you what the ZPAP 92 is all about. Oh. Wow. Let me fix my sight right quick. Whew. Did y'all see that blast? Whew. Beautiful. We have a bolt hold on here. Let's make safe. She is safe and she is clear. My ZPAP 92 by Zastava. Beautiful. And up next, let's talk about let's go here first. She is clear and she is safe. The Galil Ace SAR pistol, chambered in 7.62x39. Also a very beautiful shoot. We do have pick space 3, 6, and 9 up here. We have adjustable front and rear sights. You can take these covered off and make her as tactical as you'd like. Make her as tactical as you like. It's just a matter of slipping that forward or pulling that back. Trigger on here also is nice and responsive. She looks good. She feels good. She's an IWI. So with that being said, let's head to the line. Oh, geez. This magazine doesn't fit. There you go. All right. Once again, the Galil Ace SAR 7.62 by 39 pistol. Ghost ring rear sight. Woo! Knock the whole steel down. All right. Beautiful shoot. She is clear and she is safe. The Galil Ace SAR, chambered in 7.62 by 39. Very nice. And up next, we have, she is clear and she is safe. We have the Arsenal Sam 7, chambered in 7.62 by 39. Super, super great shoot. I really enjoy this Arsenal. This definitely is a conversation piece when we talk and people, you know, I have a few preferences when it comes to AKs. Now, we have, you know, some for different reasons. Again, that whole rob Peter to pay Paul thing. If I can just take this off of this and put this here, I would have the perfect Frankenstein AK. And there's a lot of things with Arsenal that I really enjoy and I like. And it's a beast. It's a beast of a pistol. She is clear and she is safe. The Arsenal Sam 7, chambered in 7.62 by 39. All right, so far, what did y'all think? What did y'all see? How did y'all feel about what it is that we have here? Let me know. Let's run through them one more time very quickly. We have the Micro Draco, chambered in 7.62 by 39. We have the Micro Draco VSKA, chambered in 7.62 by 39. We have the Draco Mini. We have the Draco Full Size. We have the Pioneer Arms hellpup. We have the Zastava 85, ZPAP 85, chambered in 5.5. Let me take these headphones off. Chambered in 5.56.223. We have the Zastava ZPAP 92, chambered in 7.62 by 39. Johnny Snow edition. We have the IWI Galil Ace SAR pistol, chambered in 7.62 by 39. And last but not least, we have the Arsenal Sam 7, chambered in 7.62 by 39. Ladies and gentlemen, what you see here is a lineup of a few of my AK pistols, chambered in 7.62 by 39 as well as 5.56. What did y'all see? What did y'all think? How did y'all feel? What did you prefer out of all of these that you saw today? Which one would you be riding with? Drop that in the comments. Let me know. And why. Why do you choose it, the one that it is that you chose? So with that being said, Yoke Gang, listen, if you have not yet checked out www.yokegang.com, make sure that you do. pick up a t-shirt or a patch, support the channel. Thank you so much for supporting just by watching this video. And you know I love it when things work. Everything on here worked, but I love y'all for life. Peace.